Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today is Freebie's time, and I want to share with all my subscribers a beautiful logo reveal template. Watch this video to see how you can download it, and how to use it, but first, I will show you what you can get. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. To get the files, you have to click the link from the upper right corner of this screen, or from the description, and you will get on this page. Scroll down a little, and click the subscribe button. As I have told you, the template is free for all my subscribers. In the new window, confirm your subscription. Then, click the notification icon. Go back to the first page, where the program will check your actions and will generate the download link. Don't worry if you already are one of my subscribers, the program will recognize it. Click the download link. Then click here to get the files. After you have unzipped the folder, open the template in After Effects. You will have to import your logo, so click File, Import, File, and select your logo image. Open the logo placeholder composition, and make my logo invisible, or delete it. Bring your logo here, and scale it down to fit inside the placeholder. Go back to the Fast Logo Reveal composition, double-click on this text layer, and edit it with your tagline. Now, click File. Export. Add to render queue. Then click the render button to generate your logo reveal video. I hope you will enjoy this freebie, and if you make any video using this animation, or any other animations from my tutorials, please share it with our community in the forum section of my website. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions on my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, on interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.